and welcome to today's math lesson for North Rodomont Elementary School, Math, Envision, Topic 14, Lesson number 6. Today we're going to be examining different types of measurements. Please make sure that you look at the visual learning before you try this. It will help explain things a lot easier if you look at the visual learning first that has been assigned. Grams are what we measure salt and sugar and very small items. So, think about what a TV is. It takes 1,000 grams to make a kilogram. So, what is a better estimate for a TV? 20 kilograms or 2 grams? 2 pieces of sugar or 2 pieces of salt? 20 kilograms is a better estimate because 2 grams is way too small to be a good estimate. A laptop, 30 kilograms or 3 kilograms? I think that 3 kilograms because a laptop is pretty big, but not 30 kilograms big. A leaf. Oh my goodness, I would not want to get hit on a head with a 30 kilogram of leaf. That would be like a really huge pine cone like we have up here in Lake Arrowhead. That'd really be big. 3 grams is a better answer because 30 kilograms is way too large to be a good answer. A tennis ball, 125 grams or 1,250 kilograms? I'm going to go with 125 grams because I think that 1,250 is too large. Oh, I guessed right. Good job. A table, 5 kilograms? Well, this one's kind of tricky because I don't know what kind of table we're talking about. It could be a dining room table. It could be a TV dinner table. Let's see, 5 kilograms. I think I'm going to go with 50 kilograms. Oh, good guess. 50 kilograms. I have to tell you that was a guess because I wasn't sure if they were talking about a little TV tray table or a huge dining room table. Give it your best shot. A raccoon. Oh my gosh, a 14 kilogram or a 1 kilogram? I'm thinking that a 1 kilogram is not very big. That might be a baby raccoon. I think a 14 kilogram, he'd be pretty big. He'd be pretty big, I gotta tell you. But that's about the right size for a raccoon. A laptop. A laptop is pretty big, but it's not 30 kilograms big. 30 kilograms is a best estimate because 30 kilograms would be way too big. A leaf. I'm going to say 3 grams because 30 grams, that would be, that's a really tricky question. A 30-gram leaf, well, you know, I live up in the mountains. It could be all kinds. I'm going to go with 3 grams. Oh, good. That's kind of tricky because I don't know what kind of leaf they're talking about. A palm frond? So this is kind of a take your best guess. Choose the best tool. So we're going to look at the different kinds of tools that they're giving us and then decide what we're going to measure it with. The mass of a banana. When we talked about science, we learned that mass is what makes up a person. And if we took that person and put them on another planet, their weight would be different depending on the gravitational pull. But basically, we're trying to weigh a banana. So I would use C, a scale. We're going to use a scale to measure a banana. And you might see that if you go to the produce section, your parents might or grandparents might want to weigh how many bananas we're buying or how many pounds of grapes we're buying. The temperature of water, we would use a thermometer, D. The time you finish breakfast would be a clock, B. The capacity of a glass, I would measure with E. This is a measuring cup. And the length of a shoe is A. A ruler. This measures the length. This measures the capacity. This measures the weight or the mass. This measures time. And this measures temperature. Now I have to make that disappear. Check my answer. Julissa is going to subtract a 3-digit number from 780. Okay, so let's go take it one group at a time. 780 from 770 is 5. 780 take away 70 that is correct. That's the tens. A is correct. Let's go to B and see if B is correct. 780 from 7, that is correct. 780 take away 90. That is correct. No, that is not correct because 780 take away 90 is 690. This is not correct. So B is not correct. 780 take away is 5. No, that is not correct. This section here makes this one wrong. 780 take away 5, that is correct. 780 take away 80, 70. Okay. 7 take away 5 is 775. 780 is 70. That's correct. So I'm going with D. Oh, must be A. I was right the first time. Okay, Elena is learning the solids have a definite shape. She wants to measure some solids. So she measures the mass of a marble. The marble has a mass of 10. 10 times 100 is 1,000. So I just brought that over. So yes, she is correct. 1 gram, 1,000 grams is equal to 1 gram. Chantel has a stick of butter. She estimates its mass before measuring it to find its actual mass. Does it make more sense to measure it in grams or milliliters? Okay, remember when we went back to the other question, we used the different type of tools to measure. We measure mass in grams because milliliters are capacity and grams are measures of mass. Okay, let's go back and see how I did. 100%. Good job. We've just finished a run-through on 3rd grade Envision Topic 14, Lesson 6. Please now move on to take your quick check. You have 3 opportunities to pass it at 70%. Thank you for your time.